Hello art lovers, today's video is an oil painting tutorial of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. So let's begin. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Start with drawing the initial sketch with pencil on canvas. You can also paint the outlines with burnt sienna to highlight the sections of the face. I have started with face. Apply a first layer of skin tone. Here shades used are a mix of burnt sienna, yellow ochre and white. What you have to do is mix these three on your palette. Dip your brush into the paint mix. Add just a tip of brush into linseed oil, not too much, only to add fluidity to your paint mix. Here I am using Brustro miniature flat number 1 brush. For smooth blending, hold your brush to the other end that is far from the tip and move your brush in circular motions. Keep adding white where you find it is highlighted portion, or burnt sienna if you think that is a shady portion. Use rigger brush for making eyes outline and eyebrows. Take care of the directions of hair on eyebrows and eyelashes. Around the eyes, add a tint of orange. Around the eyes, add depth by dark shades. Add white for highlights. Don't forget corner of eyes, water lines, etc. These small details will add realism to your portrait painting. For making nose, keep the lines darker than the highlighted nose tip. Below the nose area will be darker. For beard and mustache portion, first add a skin tone layer. Let it dry, then add the thin hairs using rigger or liner brushes. Take care of the direction of hairs. For making lips, add a base layer of pink and leave highlighted portion of lower lip white. The upper lip is darker than lower one. The corner of lips should be darker. Just look for the change in color. The better you observe is the better you will paint. Next section will be darker in areas where there are shadows. Keep in mind the shadows and highlighted areas that will give texture and depth to your realism portraits. Moving towards hair, as per reference, the hairs are colored and highlighted. Paint a base layer with black and burnt umber and reddish brown in different sections. Paint inner section of the hair dense black. After this layer of hair dries up, only then make hair strands that are highlighted using white. Keep adding the minute details like hairline hairs, side locks, and little wrinkles. For making ears, add same skin tone layer first, then add burnt sienna to the lines of the ears. For giving depth, add black wherever necessary. Now let's paint the pink shirt. Use crimson and white to make baby pink. Add a base to the shirt. Leave white area unpainted. Below the collar have shadows. Add a bit of red to the baby pink. Use this color for making shadows. And at last make white stripes and outline the portrait. I hope all the tips and explanation given in this process video are helpful to you in learning process. Don't lose hope if you didn't get the finishing in first attempt. Do try again with more techniques and understanding your faults. More details and links are given in comment section. Drop your queries, suggestions about this video, and also tell me what you want to see or learn in upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Happy painting!